You're wearing $10,000, baby, but you look a mess. Mentally, physically, financially, romantically, everything. Our bare minimum era is over, girlies. It's a wrap. I know I can't be the only girl that's ready to just level up her life, glow it all the way up. I am blessed. Honestly, I truly am, and I'm thankful for everything that I have. But you know what? There's always a next level to everything, and there's nothing wrong with wanting more. What's up, Anya Army? Welcome to or back to my channel. I don't know about y'all, but I personally am tired of watching Jada Way to live the life of my dreams while I'm on the sidelines, hoping, wishing, and praying that one day it'll be me, okay? I want to be in a thong on a yacht in Dubai, okay?
It's time for me to shake my ass on a yacht. Oh, in Dubai. In a thong.
Life is made for living, and I'm the kind of girly, like, I never envy what the next girl has, but I definitely am inspired by it. I love to see people, especially Black women, doing it up big, because that just lets me know what's possible for me, what's out there for me to be able to go and get. The way my confidence is set up is I genuinely feel like nobody is better than me, nobody deserves anything more than me, and there's truly nothing I can't achieve. I think we should all feel that way. Now that everybody's here, we've all decided we're gonna lock into our glow up journey. What's next? I've been doing research, okay? And I honestly think that I have figured out different steps that we could take to really just elevate all areas of our life. I'm talking mentally, physically, financially, romantically, everything. Our bare minimum era is over, girlies. It's a wrap. We're stepping into our abundance season. And honestly, y'all are probably just like me, not where you want to be in every area of your life, you know, whether it be physically, I personally got to get this weight off, or financially, in that department, I need to get my weight up. You know, we all have room for improvement, but I made sure to find elevated activities and actions that we can take right now, right where we are. Step one, visualize. You have to see it to believe it. You have to believe it to achieve it. I know we've all heard if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail, and that is so true. You have to develop a roadmap to your destination. Everybody's destination is going to look a little different, so everybody's roadmap is going to be a little different as well. The point is to not only identify where you want to be, but also how you're going to get there. Okay, for example, let's say you want to dress better. Okay, you want to elevate your wardrobe. That's your destination. How are you going to get there? You need to get new clothes. Okay, that's step one, deciding, okay, I need new clothes. Step two is figuring out, okay, how am I going to afford new clothes? You have to set a budget, no matter where you're at, whether your budget is $500 or $50. You have to set a budget so you know where to stay in, okay? Let's say you have $50. We'll start on the small end. Obviously, you can't go to the mall and ball with $50, but did you know Shein has an entire section of upscale outfits? And before y'all jump in the comments, yes, it's still going to be Shein quality, but the point is the look. The look is going to be elevated while still shopping at a discount store with a limited budget. Of course, there's going to be quality discrepancies, like say, obviously the difference between a $150 blazer and a $15 blazer is a mile wide. But the point is, it's still worth it to get the $15 blazer while you work your way up to the $150 blazer, so that visually you start to evolve and elevate. You can still start showing up as the girl of your dreams. And that really leads me to step two, which is work with what you have. Manifesting only works if you do. If you spend 10 years telling yourself, I want to be a millionaire, but you never do a single thing that would facilitate that, not even so much as buying a lotto ticket, it ain't happening, boo. You have to move your feet. You have to start where you are with what you have. If you don't have money to buy new clothes, not even $50, sell the old clothes that you have. Have a yard sale. Put them on a resale website like Poshmark, or just post to your Instagram, hey, I'm selling some of my old clothes. I'm cleaning out my closet, selling my old clothes for $1 to $5 a piece. Let's be realistic here. Let's say you get $20 off your closet sale. Take $5, go to Goodwill, get you a nice outer shell, whether that's a blazer, a cardigan, whatever have you. Take the other $15 and get some nice matching sets. The power of a cute matching set cannot be overstated. Automatically, you look put together. Automatically, you look coordinated and nice. And then when you pair that with a nice outer shell, baby, period. I'd also definitely invest in at least one good pair of jeans. Get you one of those multi-packs of different color shirts, but it's the same style shirt. You can create so many clean looks from just those basic pieces. You have to really know how to style yourself, especially if you don't have a big budget. Honestly, even if you do have a big budget, how many times have we seen girlies just throwing everything designer they have in their closet and it still looks a mess? You're wearing $10,000, baby, but you look a mess. Tragic. You have to know how to put stuff together. If you don't know how, you can look on Pinterest for inspiration or subscribe to my channel because we're going to be diving into this a lot more. Anybody in a nice outfit, especially men, tailored, looks so good. That's a crucial part of elevating your life, is elevating your look. Definitely stay tuned though, because I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos on styling and stuff like that in the future. Step 3, elevate the places you're spending time in. Say it with me. The club is over. It's a wrap for her, okay? You leave Bella No Chest where it's supposed to be, in the past. You want to pop out, you want to listen to music, you want to have a good time, go to a live concert, go to a lounge, go to a jazz club. Now, I know a jazz club may sound lame and boring, but it's actually a lot of fun. And it will definitely put you in a room with higher caliber people, especially higher caliber men. If you want something different than what you are used to having, you have to do something different than what you're used to doing. If you want your life to stay the same, you still want to be at the clubs every weekend, you still trying to knuck and get buck, baby, click out this video because you are not ready. But if you are ready to get to that next level, you have to step outside of your comfort zone. Look at Groupon, okay? You don't have to break the bank for any of this. Look on Groupon. Search for discounted tickets to plays or live shows. Also, creative classes, painting, cooking especially, wine tasting, charity events, physical activities, rock climbing, horseback riding, whitewater rafting, anything that you've heard in the past referred to as white people shit, try that. Also, professional development, conferences or seminars, great place to network and meet, menzies. These are great ways to learn new things, discover new passions, meet new people. Because when you expand your network, you expand your net worth, okay? But, the activities I listed are mostly one-off activities, certainly not things you're going to be doing every day. However, you can also elevate your day-to-day activities in the places that you go. We are all addicted to coffee, okay? American runs on the mean bean of caffeine. But instead of going to Starbucks or the McCafe, try an upscale coffee shop in a high-end neighborhood. Instead of going daily, because there's probably going to be a little bit of a price increase on the coffee, you could go every other day and then on the off days, drink your coffee at home to kind of offset that hike in price, We're trying to find ways to elevate working within the budget that we currently have. You have budget for things. It's just sometimes to get to the next level of that same thing, you have to, maybe you can't do it every day. Maybe you have to do it every other day. Maybe you can only do it 2-3 times a week. That's fine. Start where you are. And if you're really ready to take things up to the next level, forget the coffee altogether and start sipping on natural juices and smoothies. Remember, health is wealth. Changing where you work out is another great and simple way to elevate your surroundings. Or if you don't currently work out, maybe start. Planet Fitness is cute, and at $10 a month is extremely affordable, a great option if you are, just starting a weight loss journey, things like that, and you don't have a lot of money, great. Problem is you're surrounded by people who can only afford a $10 a month membership. No tea, no shade, okay, because your girl was at Planet Fitness for a long time. We're just trying to rise above that, get to the next level. That's not saying there's anything wrong with the level you're at right now or the people who are at the level you're at right now and don't even want to move up a level. It's just that you and I personally, we want a little more for our lives. Don't ever feel bad about that, okay? You think Beyonce feels bad about wanting to be the best of all time? No. You think LeBron James feels bad about wanting to be the best basketball player that has ever walked this earth? No. Don't feel bad about desiring more for yourself, wanting better for yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. And trust me, I get it. Before y'all jump down my throat, Anya, if I could afford a more expensive membership than $10, I would have that already. Fair enough. So maybe cancel the gym membership altogether. Now you're saving money, honey. Cut the gym membership altogether. Find a nice upscale neighborhood, not gated, of course, because you can't get in, but a nice upscale neighborhood near to where you are. Be able to drive there and do a little 30-minute hot girl walk there 3 times a week. Make sure you're wearing cute athleisure wear. Again, Shein is your girl for that. Amazon also too. Great pieces. You know, don't go out there in a ratty old t-shirt with holes and grease marks and some Sophie shorts up your ass, okay? Look like you got some sense. Look like you're supposed to be there. Most importantly, make sure you speak to people as they walk past you. You know, just a smile and a wave. Nothing too crazy. Just, you know, hey, how you doing? Because the more these people see you, the more I cannot say this word. The more familiar you'll seem to them. So later on, when they run into you at the juice bar, at the charity event, or at the jazz club, they'll be open and friendly and receptive to you. Because it's like, yeah, I know her. I see you on my walks, right? Yeah, you do. Now you're not just that mysterious girl who nobody's ever seen or heard of showing up here. It's like, oh no, I say hi to her on my walks. I know her a little bit. I'm familiar with her. Because the most guaranteed way to level up your life is connections, who you know. Having the right connections not only can change your life, but it will change your life. Rich people are very generous with their friends, even more generous with their more than friends, okay? Don't be surprised if you start getting those, hey girl, we're going to Aspen this weekend. You want to come? Everything's paid for type invitations, okay? They think nothing of it. It's everything to you. They think nothing of it. I hope you had a pen and your paper down, baby, because these are 3 major changes that you can implement today with no more money than you already have, no more anything that you already have, starting right here where you're at with what you have. These are 3 things that you can do today to start elevating your life. 1, visualize. 2, work with what you have. 3, elevate the places you go. Simple as that. A glow up is a journey. It's a process that takes time and commitment. And I know me personally, I am very committed to this process. And I really want y'all to come along with me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're going to get into everything. How to dress better, eat better, style your hair better, take care of your skin better, manage your financials better, date better, everything. We're just elevating all aspects of our life, period. And I've also put together a free glow up guide that you can look back to and refer to, read and study. It's linked in my bio and I'll link it down below in the comments for y'all as well. Ladies, this is just the beginning, but we are moving on up, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload, follow me on socials, and definitely get that free glow up guide. I mean, it's free. What are you doing? It's free. Glow up guide, honestly, is going to help a lot. It gives you a starting point. You can refer back to it and say, okay, here I am. Part 2 to this video will be up in a few days and we'll be going through the next phase of our glow up journey. You don't want to miss it. I promise you, you do not want to miss this. Okay? So I'll see you. Mwah.